Hey people, so this is my latest project. What I'm planning to do, this 1970s lovely black and white portable TV, is I'm going to take everything out, all the screen, all the electrics, and hopefully fit a nice LCD screen in here, and either a computer system, if I can fit a whole motherboard and the power supply and everything in the back there. Either a full computer, or I might go for some sort of Arduino small form factor computer, like single board, and then obviously I have to build some sort of power supply to run that and the screen, but that's the plan. So I'm going to tear this down, take everything out, and we'll see what we've got case wise. Here we go. So working on some screws. This is what I've got inside. So we've got the mains transformer down here. That's the main board of this TV with the we've got the tuner brick there with the components up to the tube. There's the power switch. We might be able to reuse the mains power switch for our project. Okay, let's strip all this out then. Basically, you're just going to remove all these screws, pull everything out. Right, so I've took a load more screws out. There's some little plastic, like little feet things that I've got to cut or squeeze to pop out, and then the board should come out. Okay, so I've kind of managed to pop that little plastic thing through, as you can see. There's another one at the back here somewhere. Right, I think I've cracked it. Got it out. Oh look, 40 odd years worth of dust. Nice. Remove the cap from the tube. A couple more cables. Okay, so the board's out. Not that it's much good. Quite a few components in there. Quite useful though. So, yeah, I'll take a look at that later. Let's get this tube out of here. Coming out without that transformer moving. Unless she's out. 25 amp transformer. It's got a fuse on the side there on the board. Take that out and have a closer look. Right. If we remove it from its casing, you should be able to see the label on the top of the actual transformer. And let's see what power it is. Some kind of glue, great. Maybe not. Thought that was going to tell us some more info. Never mind, I'll put it. testers across it and check it out. I'm going to keep them little plastic thingies because I might be able to use those little brackets if I'm fitting something else in this side here in the same place. That's the speaker remover, let's put them back in there. Okay, there's a couple more bits, some switches and stuff on the front. Remove these, and then we'll basically have a bare shell, and we can see what we might be able to fit inside it. So there it is. I've taken everything out, give it a bit of a clean up, and we've got a nice little case. So I'm going to see if I can get a screen that will fit roughly in there, and then obviously you have to cut it or whatever to fit it in properly, but yeah, we'll see what I've got laying around, and also what kind of motherboard or whatever can fit inside there. It's quite a bit of room, so I should be able to fit something pretty powerful in there. I think it'll look pretty cool.